Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today guys, I'm gonna show you this amazing juice that's gonna spice up your relationship, spice up your mood in men and women. Guys, if you want to see how I make this juice, because this juice, this drink is really gonna be your friend once you see how I make it. And you cannot abuse this drink because it's very effective, and it really helps you to get to the mood for men and women. So stick around and wasting your time guys, we're gonna jump to the video. So our first ingredient is ginger. Ginger is a really good ingredient for when it comes to pleasure in men and women, so it's really amazing. You don't need much of a ginger. Do you see the amount? And our next ingredient is pineapple. Pineapple is great for you ladies. If you want to smell good, you want to smell fresh down there, use pineapple. Our third ingredient is watermelon. Watermelon is very good ingredient when it comes to spice up your relationship, to spice up to get in the mood. Really, it's a great ingredient for you. So we're gonna go ahead and put all three ingredients together in a mixer, and we're gonna blend it. So I put first ginger, because ginger is kind of hard to to break. So first thing, I put in ginger, and then I'll go ahead add pineapple, and my last ingredient is watermelon, because watermelon is soft. And this drink guys, before I go and blend this ingredient, I'm gonna tell you that you cannot abuse this drink because it's very sugary, and it really works wonder if you ready to spice up. If you ready, you're not feeling in the mood, just take this drink. You can take it anytime, and it works like magic. So I'm using a small mixer because guys, I'm not feeling well today, so I don't want to use my big mixer because I'm gonna end up cleaning it. But if you have a big mixer, you can go ahead and use a big mixer to put all the ingredients at once and mix it. But since I'm using the small one, I'm going ahead and adding small ingredient little by little until I'll mix everything together. You can see I have my little helper right there helping me. You can see his hand right there. That's my man. That's my baby. He always there to help me by any means necessary. Anyhow he can help, he always there. So yeah, he's helping me to mix this juice. So stick around and watch how I'm doing it. So make sure you mix it very well to get like a paste consistency, so that way it's easy for you to collect the juice, because all we need here is just the juice. So stick around, watch how I'm doing it. And since you're watching this guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead, subscribe to my channel. That will help me a lot, and so that way you won't forget, you won't miss any video that I'm gonna post in the future. And turn on your notification bell, so that way you'll be notified every time I post a video. You'll be the first one to be notified. So don't forget to subscribe again, and share this video with friends and family, so everybody can be aware of this amazing drink that helps women and men. So now I'm going ahead and I'm gonna collect the juice, and that's our amazing juice that we're gonna need. that I collect. It's literally 1 glass of juice, and like I mentioned earlier, that a man also woman can use this. And our last ingredient, I'm gonna go ahead and add some cinnamon to spice up, to give it that, you know, that kick that you want, that spice that you want. Don't put it too much, because as I mentioned earlier, it's very sugary. So everything in there is natural. I didn't add any sugar. It's just the sugar of the fruits that I use, and I add a little bit of cinnamon to give it that kick, to give it that that spice that we want. Yes. So enjoy this drink. It's an amazing drink. It gives you a pleasure that you want. In men and women, it helps you tremendously when it comes to you know, your libido. And also, I forgot to mention that this drink is great for women, especially because he cleans up your you know, your inside, and you smell so good because of the pineapple. So please try this drink and let me know what you think about this drink. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Share this video with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe again to my channel. Turn on your notification bell and you'll be notified every single time I post a video. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time with my new video. Enjoy. Bye bye.